Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see how we can fix the camera issue. So I am facing my camera issue. I'll show you. Yeah, I am facing. We can't find your camera. This issue, and I have researched a lot on this particular issue. So I'm going to. I will show you how we can fix this issue. So first of all, we have to go to the device manager. So if you type device manager here, then you can see this option of control panel. Then simply click on this. Try to find out the camera. Here on your PC, on my PC, here is no camera option added because it is uninstalled automatically. So if you find the camera option here on your machine, just click. Suppose this is the camera option. So click here and go to this camera and right click and click on update driver. uh, Many times it will won't update automatically. It will throw you this message: the best drivers for your device is already installed on your machine. So for that we have to find the camera drivers on the web. For that we have to find out our serial number of your machine. So for that, press windows press windows plus R. This run box will open. Here you have to type cmd command prompt. In the command prompt we have to type uh, the command to get a serial number of your machine. So I will type here. The command is wmic bias get seri get serial number. So I will paste this command in the description. So the serial number is this, right? Just if you double click on the serial number, it will automatically send. If you just click on enter, then this serial number will automatically copy from the command prompt. Now we have to find out the driver on the web. So I am using the Predator, so uh, I will search for the Acer because the Predator is from Acer company. Acer driver update, Acer drivers download. You can choose as per your laptop model. If you have Dell, then you can search the Dell drivers update, or you have HP, then you can go for the HP. So I have the Acer laptop, so I'm going to Acer. So here I am clicking on first link. Here it will ask you, you have to just accept all cookies. Here it will ask you for the serial number of your machine. So I have just copied my serial number here, and if you hit enter, then it will automatically detect my system. Yes, this is my laptop Predator PH315-51. Uh, I can find all related drivers here. So I will search for the video drivers because camera is under video drivers or graphics driver, I can say. Uh, Download the card reader driver here, and you can download chipset driver as well. Okay, install the driver. Mm, Setup. It will ask you permission. Click on finish. Okay, so now I will check my camera is working or not. Okay, still I am getting the same issue. So in many cases, what happened, the physical camera which is attached to your laptop is no more working and it not functioning properly. That's why you are getting this issue. So the best solution for this is to go to the vendor from where you have purchased a laptop, and you can just uh, tell them to that your camera is not working and you can check. They will check from their end, and in most of the time they will replace the camera unit, which is means if your laptop is in warranty, then it will won't charge you anything. But your laptop is out of warranty, then you have to pay for the camera. So I made the video to just showcase you how we can fix the issue of the camera. But I tried multiple ways to fix the issue, but I haven't got any. So I replaced my camera last time, but then also I'm getting the same issue. So I logged the case to the Microsoft and Acer as well. So let's see what happened. I will get back to you on this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.